I bought this today for about $1. It's some sort of door and window alert system, whatever. Basically, you turn it on and you put it on the window or door, and if the small part disconnects from the big part, it will make a loud noise. So I'll be wearing protection for my ears, and we're gonna take it apart. Take one apart. It doesn't make sense to take apart all four. So let's get started. Very nice. Wow. Okay. They are luckily in off position. There's a switch. Chime, alarm. Should we try it? Like that. And on this side, like that. Okay. So let's put it down. What does it do if I turn it on now? Nothing. What? Alarm? What? Burglar. Nothing. Really? Tsk, that's interesting. Let's take it apart anyway. Okay. Whoa. It's just one little speaker. Two AAA batteries. Tsk, that's funny. Let's see the other. Can you take this apart? Maybe a screw somewhere? No. Let's see. It should have only a magnet inside, nothing interesting. I broke it. Whatever. So it should be there, and you turn it on. Oh, now it detects it. Yeah. Kinda dumb. Okay. This was fun. Let's turn it off. And let's see the other part of the other side of the board. Yes, it's a dirty, really dirty chip. You can't really see it what it is. Well, the big sensor thing here, it's basically two wires which connect when a magnet approaches. They connect and activate the alarm. Well, this is a disappointment. I thought it would be something cooler, but that's it.